Friday, May 26, 2023. We're at the Old Country Road crossing here, just west of Westhampton, just east of Speonk. We're here to see train 16, which is the former 2798, that is the Cannonball, running between Penn Station and Montauk. This train is running with 12 cars, equipment being used, the M30AC 502 leading, 505 on the rear. All right, time now is 5:41. And train 16 has sounded off for the crossings at Speonk. Should be here in a minute or so. Once again, 16 running with the M30AC 502 leading, 505 on the rear with 12. We had a barrage of trains earlier with large consists. One overly train 10. With 2 DE30ACs and 8 cars. And now the gates are coming down for train 16. In the back engine sounding off for DM30AC 505 on the rear of train 16.